Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got this nice 5x3 kitchen table that we're going to redo, so follow along. Alright, this table was left outside for quite a while. It's pretty dirty. This door doesn't open, so we're going to have to figure out why that is. We're going to sand down the top, give it a dark walnut stain, and then we're going to do a dark or a mid-gray legs. Change it up from our typical dark walnut white legs, give it a little bit of a splash of a color here. So first thing we got to do, well, there's not much to take apart here. We're going to leave the legs on so we can sand it, then we'll remove the legs. We'll figure out what's going on with this door here, or this drawer here, and we'll work from there. So next step, sanding. We're going to use our DeWalt sander, 80 grit sandpaper, and well, we'll spend the next couple hours sanding it down. Let's get started. Alright, we're ready to stain. We've vacuumed it off, we've washed it off, made it nice and smooth, clean. Now we're going to use our Behr wood stain. Now what we did is we mixed a little bit of special walnut with our dark walnut since we were running low on both, and that's going to give us a nice little color here. Got an old sock. What we're going to do is just wipe down with the grain back and forth all the way across, and then we can start painting. Alright, so what we're gonna now is we're gonna let the stain top dry. While that's happening, I've got my paint and primer mid-gray here. I got my wedge brush, which really does a good job of getting up under here and around it. So we're gonna spend the next few minutes here doing the frame, the door front, and then we're gonna start working on those legs. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to put a little feed and wax on this thing, get this thing finished. We'll move the camera back so you can see this full project complete. This is nice, gives it a nice little wet look. It seals in nice, it dries well. I really like this product, so we're going to keep using it. Here we go, let's wax it. Alright, here it is completed. We did a special walnut with a little touch of dark walnut stain in it. It's a mid-gray. Nice drawer. Everything now works. Drawer slides in and out. Perfect. We used a orange oil wax from Howard's. It's a weed and feed, or not a weed and feed, a sealant and conditioner. It's really nice. So here's the end product. I love it. I love the colors that came out. This is going to look great in somebody's house. If you like this project and many of our others, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, we'll keep doing some cool projects. Maybe you even have one of these tables sitting around your house that's looking to be redone. Hopefully this helps.